Good morning. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. You're watching the Tiger Trading Channel and you're watching our weekly message. And this week, something that's been on the back of my mind and in the forefront of everything that I've thought about this week is the word psychology. And the word tied into that is philosophy. Now, there's a lot to be said in those two components in trading. You know, the psychology makeup behind the trader itself is that the makeup that your mental makeup. We've talked about that in kind of the top 10 FAQs that I did a little bit, and we kind of touched on it. And I want to touch on it a little bit more, but I also want to touch on the concept of philosophy as well today. There's a lot of great motivational speakers over the years have spoken on both these terms, and I, in my small way, I just want to add some input as it relates to trading. When you're trading, psychologically there's a warfare that's going on. And when you're trading your real money or your real account, that psychological warfare that's going on can be either exhilarating or detrimental, correct? So, how do you navigate the water? How do you navigate this land and the sea of the waves and so forth of trading to end up in the long run into the win column more so than the loss column? 90% of traders that enter into the trading field, especially into the day trading realm, are not in the business 3 to 6 months from now. They wash out, they move on. It's not for them for a variety of reasons. They come in saying, hey, this is something I really want to do. You know, I'm looking for a change of lifestyle. I'm looking for this. I want to get out of my dead-end job. You know, the job that's just right now with JOB just over broke, right? But in the long run, for a variety of reasons, they quit. And I want to make a comment about that. I think it's not because of your lack of desire or your lack of passion. It's because you're not being taught correctly how to trade. And perhaps you're spending $3,500 or you've already spent that kind of money on a program. Our product launch that we're coming out here in September with the our crude oil called TCB, or Taking Care of Business, it's basically it goes back to all of the pain and suffering that I see out here into this realm of trading. And I'm not saying that everyone's painful and suffering and anyway, so you know what I mean by that. But this business is probably, I think, can be one of the most lucrative businesses that you can be in. Not just me selling something to you, but you actually, like I do, trade to make a living in this business. There's a way to take care of volatility. There's a way to take care of momentum. There's a way to take care of price action and get all three of those to move in your factor. Psychologically speaking, you just got to have the confidence to take the trade, correct? So let's talk a little bit more about philosophy just for the last couple of seconds here, last minute or so. Now, when I was researching the word philosophy, the Greek word of this is philosophia. I think that's how you say it, but that's how I'm going to say it. But anyway, it means the love of wisdom. And from my Christian background that I am, and from your own personal faith, think about who has and who offers wisdom. In my personal faith, the wisdom, or the one that I can ask for wisdom, is God, correct? God is the provider of wisdom. He says He will give freely to all those that ask. If your philosophy is the love of wisdom, follow me now, and the love of wisdom leads back to God, therefore, if God is love and God is the provider of all wisdom, God, if you put it down to the core belief center, psychologically and philosophically, this can be the core or the area that you need to start from in your trading. to have a strong belief center. It doesn't have to be God. That's my own personal belief center. But you need to have some kind of firm foundation to put your faith in, so that when you get into those bumpy roads, when you get into areas of your trading that's not going exactly the way you planned it, you have the ability and you have the mental makeup to get yourself through the struggles that you will have. There's nowhere in life does it say life is fair and life is going to be easy. There's no guarantee of that. The only thing that we can do each and every morning is get up with a positive mental attitude, take 15 minutes of personal time, and learn and develop your psychological makeup and your philosophical makeup, correct? You can read some motivational books. You can do some exercising to get you in the right frame of mind. There's a lot of things that you can do in this business to help you psychologically and philosophically learn how to be a better trader. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I appreciate you listening to our message for this week. We look forward to hearing from you. We look forward to seeing you soon in our trading room. And we look forward to bringing out our new trading strategy called the TCB, or Taking Care of Business in Crude Oil, coming out in September. That's our time frame, our 1-year anniversary, September of 2010. We'll see you on our next video. Bye for now.